In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup of your Epson ES-60W scanner. To do the Wi-Fi setup, we need to connect this scanner with the Windows laptop. So you get a USB cable with it. Connect one end to your scanner and the other end to your Windows laptop. Now we have to download the drivers from the Epson website. Go to your web browser, type in Epson Scan Smart Download. Select the first link, that is from the Epson. Scroll down and look for Epson Scan Smart. It says drivers and utility combo package. Click on it. Enter your scanner number, that is ES-60W. Select your scanner. Scroll down and you should be able to see it may detect the windows automatically, or you can select it. Download these drivers. This is the utility combo. Download. Open file. Yes, so it's saying to install it. Yes, okay. Now start the installation. Accept terms and conditions. Next. Select setup scanner connection again. On the next screen, select connect via wireless network Wi-Fi. Next. Now we have to make sure the Wi-Fi button is moved to the right side. That's the Wi-Fi button and it is on the right side, so that's good. And also make sure the light is working, it is on, and the battery is sufficiently charged. Now click on the next. So scanner is connected with the Windows 10 with the USB. Next. Its light is on, yes. So click next. Battery is charged, so click next. So select your Wi-Fi network. If you don't see it, you can click on the refresh button and it will display the list again. Select your Wi-Fi and click next. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click next. Scanner is connected to the Wi-Fi. Next. Is checking its function, if it's working or not. So we have to try to scan a document. The best thing is to now place a document here. Click next on the computer screen and press this scan button. So scanner is connected, so Wi-Fi setup is complete. It is working properly. Wi-Fi setup is done. Click finish. Now you can click next and you can save it, or you can share it. Select save. Select where do you want to save, and if you want to save it as a PDF or any other format. Setup is complete, so you can take the USB wire out. Now whenever you want to scan, simply place the page or any photo. Click on the scan button. Automatically it will start scanning and it will show up on your Windows laptop. So this way we can do the Wi-Fi setup and we can use this scanner for scanning. Thanks for watching.